Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to safely jack up your Honda Odyssey. First, always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any accidental rolling. Having the right tools, like a sturdy hydraulic jack and reliable jack stands, is crucial for a secure lift. Safety is paramount when working under any vehicle. Now, let's find the correct jack points on your Odyssey. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact locations, as they can vary slightly. Generally, you'll find sturdy frame points just behind the front wheels and in front of the rear wheels. For the rear, look for a strong part of the subframe or the axle itself. Using the correct points prevents damage to your vehicle and ensures a stable lift. With your jack points identified, position your hydraulic jack directly underneath one. Ensure the jack saddle is centered and making full contact. Slowly pump the jack handle to raise the vehicle. Lift it just enough so the tire is off the ground, allowing for easy removal. Once lifted, immediately place jack stands under a strong part of the frame, adjacent to the jack point, for maximum safety. After placing your jack stands, slowly lower the vehicle until its weight rests entirely on the stands, not the jack. Give the vehicle a gentle shake to confirm it's stable and secure before you begin any work. When you're finished, reverse the process. Lift slightly with the jack, remove the stands, and then slowly lower the vehicle completely. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.